Welcome to the latest edition of Immunology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, Navigator Medicines completed a Phase 1b multiple ascending dose study of NAV240, a bispecific targeting OX40L and TNFα, in 24 healthy volunteers. Prior Phase 1a showed good tolerability with no serious adverse events. The Phase 1b readout is planned for the first quarter of 2026. Next, CONMED will exit its gastroenterology product lines and conclude its US and Canada distribution of the Gore-Viabile biliary stent effective January 1, 2026. The company reaffirmed its 2025 revenue and EPS guidance while refocusing on core surgical platforms. Abeona initiated the first commercial treatment of prademagene zamikeracel, Zevaskyn, for recessive dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa at Stanford. The autologous gene-modified epithelial sheet therapy delivers a functional COL7A1 gene to support durable wound closure without immunosuppression. Fate Therapeutics presented a Phase 1 update of FT819, an off-the-shelf iPSC-derived CD19 CAR T for systemic lupus erythematosus. 12 SLE patients have been treated with meaningful SLE Die2K reductions, complete renal responses in 2 patients with lupus nephritis, and no grade greater than 2 CRS or ICANS reported. Novartis reported positive Phase 3 VIHIT-2 results for ianalumab plus L-trombopag in second-line primary ITP. Time to treatment failure was 13.0 months versus 4.7 months on placebo plus L-trombopag, and stable response at 6 months was 62% versus 39%, with a generally consistent safety profile. Barinthus Bio reported Phase 1 Avalon single-dose results for VTP-1000 in celiac disease. 18 adults were enrolled across 3 cohorts. The therapy was well tolerated with no treatment-related serious adverse events and showed dose-dependent pharmacology. The multiple-dose portion with gluten challenge is ongoing. Arcus Biosciences will discontinue the Phase 3 STAR-221 study of domvanalimab plus zimberelimab and chemotherapy in upper gastrointestinal cancers after a futility determination at an interim overall survival analysis. The company will prioritize casdatifan and early immunology programs. Finally, Ascletis reported Phase 1 data for ASC50, an AI-discovered oral interleukin-17 inhibitor. No serious adverse events were observed, and pharmacokinetics and target engagement support once daily or once weekly dosing up to 600 milligrams in psoriasis and healthy participants. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com